All right, today we're here with a few aliens to unbox the Ulanzi Video Go tripod with a little movie magic. It's already open, and that's that. Okay, the box, very nice. Some high-end looking packaging there. Looking pretty clean. All right. Okay. Comes with a little instructions. Who needs instructions? All right, the bag is nice. Bag is a nice high-end feel, little canvas or something, fake canvas. Tripod itself, it's got a little weight to it. It's supposed to be a compact, travel tripod. It's not too heavy. It was heavier than I thought it might be, but kind of heavy enough to give you a little bit of a reassurance that it's not going to blow over in the wind or something. Neat feature about this tripod is it's got these extendable legs that kind of basically allow you to go any height you want with this thing. So you could get all sorts of perspectives. It has a nice solid click sound. That's real satisfying. The other cool thing about this tripod is it has this ball head mechanism that if you don't get it quite perfect, then you could use this ball head in the bubble level there to make sure you're getting it perfectly level, even if you're not on perfect level ground with the legs. So you don't have to fiddle with the legs too much. The real reason I got this is it's got this fluid head, and I don't have a good tripod with a nice fluid head. This would be my first tripod with a proper fluid head. The feel on this, I was hoping it would be nice, not too janky. With the cheap fluid head, you might have a little rough start-stop with it. And this feels nice. A little tightener here. Got plenty of adjustment to dial it in. I got the F38 mount, because I already have some F38 mounts that I was using with the backpack system. So this will integrate well with that. It's got carbon fiber legs, I guess, to keep down the weight, but still be very strong. It feels nice overall. The other nice little feature has this little detachable handle. And you got all sorts of little tool heads in here, which I guess come out and attach right in there. That way you could kind of MacGyver somebody else's equipment if you need to, or your own. So that's kind of a nice feature. Unexpected, it's got a little more than you, giving you a little more than you expect to pay for. That locks away, screws back in there. All the hardware feels very nice. It comes with some spike feet that you can replace these rubber ones with. Ulanzi has another tripod that has like a twist lock leg system. I think I prefer these because you could visually see that it's locked and make sure it's locked. Everything else on it seems pretty straightforward. Nice design, nice feel. Also, this little hook here acts as a counterweight, so you could put on your camera bag or something to weigh it down to feel a little more steady. The other neat feature about this is I think if you unscrew this, loosen this, this comes out and you could invert the pan tilt head. So if you wanted to get right on the ground with your camera, shoot with it upside down, and you could do that. Screw this back in and it locks it in. So you got this orientation, and you could still use your fluid head. That's kind of a neat feature. Overall, nice build quality. Everything seems pretty tight, pretty solid, compact, portable, very portable. I could put this on a backpack, strap it down on my backpack, and use it while you're hiking and stuff. Everything feels really nice, high quality. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. Fold it down. And not too expensive either. I got this at a discounted price. I think it's going for $299, but they had a discounted price when they first released it for, I think it was $250, if I'm not mistaken. All fits in this nice little travel bag. Perfect. Well, thanks. Thank you. Thank you. And we'll see you on the next one.